Hey Sparks, I am super excited about this video today so that I can inspire, educate, and share. And also hello to you all that are coming by my channel that are new subscribers from Brandon Weaver's channel. So Sparks, let's get into it today. So Brandon Weaver, if you are not already subscribed to his channel, get over there and subscribe. I'll put the link down below in the first comments of this video. So I discovered him from one of my amazing subscribers on this channel and did really just kind of the bare minimum of what he said to do, which was basically to freeze the agencies that the credit reporting companies use to verify kind of your identity and your inquiries and things like that. LexisNexis, CoreLogic, SageStream, ARS, I think it's Advanced Resolution Services or Solutions, did that. I had two things that were just messing up my credit. One was late pay with student loans, which was about a payment of $1,600 a month. And then the other was a Chase credit card that my oldest daughter had just put some tuition on, didn't pay off, it charged off, okay? Totally my fault, these are my debts. So, and they're old. I mean, this wasn't, they were old. And so Chase charged off, and then with my student loans, I recently had $128,000 forgiven through the student loan debt forgiveness program, which if you wanna know more, if you set up a clarity call with me for free, I just want to make sure you understand the program. I'm happy to share that information. So anyways, here's the result. And I had to make sure I hid one of these. I got a JCPenney card. I'm going to tell you why I have these credit cards. I got a JCPenney. I got an increase on my corporate credit card. I have a personal credit card. I got another increase on that one. I got the one that I'm so happy about having, a platinum no credit limit or no set limit Amex. Ooh, hey. I have a Learner New York, I'll tell you about that one, and another Amex, and then I have a Target Red card, and then I qualified for a TJ Maxx card. Here's the reason why I'm playing the credit card game. Now for me, I know how to leverage debt. I was really good at it before. My first marriage, I had to bankrupt because he was smart. We had a lot of debt in my name only. And then I just, short sold a house, got in my second marriage, and my ex-husband just never really made enough money to contribute the way that I know that he desired to, but he just didn't make any money, not enough money. So with these, I know how to manage debt. Like these, I only carry my business credit card one, and then one personal card with me. I don't even need these, so every month I can rotate. I want to leverage and purchase real estate, so I knew that I needed higher credit scores. You cannot have higher credit scores without debt. I don't have any personal debt. I use a card, I pay off the card. So that's why I'm using it. If you don't know how to manage debt, don't get any credit cards. I'm not a Dave Ramsey thumper. I'm not in that tribe anymore. So I want to leverage debt so that I can do better in my community, produce more in my community, and leverage and purchase real estate so I can start building some neighborhoods, okay? So again, get over there with Brandon Weaver so that you can learn more. The second thing I want to educate you all on is talking about business. Now, hustle, I had this shirt on today. And a lot of you are like, what do I do? What do I do? What I do? Well, right now I'm speaking and sponsoring at many bar association events across the country. If you're new to me, I run a digital marketing company that specializes in video production and video promotions for lawyers and law firms across the country. So here are a couple of things that I do. So I was at an event in Memphis at the time you're watching this video the week before, and then the week after you're watching this, I'll be in Houston, Texas at another bar association. Most of the people there, the other vendors, like I've never even heard of their companies. I'm like, I've never heard of you. Which lets me know they're not online fighting for leads. Everybody's online on Facebook advertising and remarketing and PPC and SEO and all that. They're not fighting. They're not fighting. I'm not fighting for leads. So we're getting in front of them a certain way. And here's a couple of other things that I put. I did a post on my Facebook page about this. Online's not the only way to market. We do text messaging, email, webinars, thank you cards, umbrellas, email automation, direct mail, video, printer, video emails, I'm reading it, pins, mugs, t-shirts, bracelets, YouTube advertising, Instagram networking events, podcasts, and much, much more. My point is, don't think that one thing's gonna work, because it won't. I am damn good at what I do. And if I only relied on one thing, it would not work. So that's my kind of tip for you as I'm educating you and as I'm sharing. There's just no one way. You're going to have to discover where your prospective clients are that you want to reach and get there in front of them. Offline is great, but you cannot rely on word of mouth to build your business, and you can't rely on referrals to build your business unless you have a referral system in place. So what do you need to do as an entrepreneur? You need to get your ass out there and market, and then really put things out there, change the phone numbers, change the URL so that you can really figure out what's working and do more of what's working to increase and grow your business. So I actually wanted to show you a few photos from the event where I had a sponsorship. This was in Memphis, Tennessee. This is actually my sponsorship booth, and my team was back home at the State Bar of Georgia recording some work. And I actually want to show you my hair too. Look, just got it blowed out. So let's see here. Yeah, looks good. Yes, nice and full. Ooh, look at all that hair. Yes, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm feeling myself. What? All right, that's it, guys. For more tips like this, make sure that you subscribe and be part of my subscribe tribe, part of my Sparks, because I want to inspire, I want to educate, I want to share. Many of you have been following me for years, and guys, this is real. I tell you, I don't have personal debt. I live in a luxury apartment, which I absolutely love. You've been with me through, I was single, I was married, I'm divorced. You've been with me with the kids home. Now 2 of the kids are gone and 1's home. And, we had dogs, we didn't have dogs. Now we have another dog again. So Clemson, come here, baby. He's out here with me. Come on, buddy. Come on. Can I pick you up? Here's my baby. He's such a sweetheart. You are such a good boy. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. So peace, y'all. Say bye.